friends, guess what number joined today with Numberblocks? 1, no. 2, no. 3, no. 4, no. 5, no. 6, no. 7, no. 8, no. 9, no. 10. Yes! Today I am drawing 1 to 10 with Numberblocks. 1 and 2. I am fine, thank you. 3, 4. Please like and subscribe me more. 5, 6. Nice magic tricks. 7, 8. Cool, that's great. 9 and 10. Come with me and do it again. Well. Start with number 1. Hello, number 1. La. Great. Start with color red. Red looks perfect. Great. 1 spells one. Achoo! Uh-oh. 1. Wow, nice block. Bye, number 1. Next, number 2. Hoo. Now I am drawing number 2. Hoo. Number block 2 color is orange. Spell TWO2. Do you like orange color? Great. Great. Put in the right place. 2. Spell TWO2. Wow, great. Wow. 1 and 1 make 2. Great job. Achoo! Uh-oh. Bye, number 2. What next? 3. Number 3. Let's draw. Tree. THREE. THREE. Number 3. 3. Great. Funny number 3. 1, 2, and 3. Bye, blocks. Bye. What next? 4. Wow, great. Let's draw. Number 4. Right. FOUR4. Number 4. Very good. Number 4. Wow, perfect. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Achoo! Okay. Number 4 color is green. Great. Do you like green color? Great. La. Great. FOUR4. Number 4. 4 blocks. Bye, number 4. Next, number 5. FIVE5. Let's draw. FIVE5. Number 5 color is? Yes, you're right. blue. Hoo-hoo. La 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 la. Great. Bye bye blue. 5. Spell F-I-V-E 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Wow, great. I like blocks. Do you like blocks? Great. Achoo. Bye bye blocks. What next? 6. Yes, number 6. S-I-X 6. Great. Let's draw number 6. Number 6.
La 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 la.
Number 6 color is purple. S-I-X 6. Great. Bye bye. 6. S-I-X 6. Great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's okay. 5, 6. Oh, 6. Great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Bye bye 6. What next? 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Great. Let's draw number 7. Number block 7. You are so funny. But I like you. Do you like number block 7? Great. Number block 7 color is rainbow. Okay. Red, orange, yellow. Oh, it's okay. Again. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, pink. Great. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, woohoo, indigo. Hey kids, what's your favorite color? Great. Pink. Great job. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Great. Bye bye number blocks. What next? 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Let's draw number 8. Wow. Number block 8 color is pink. E-I-G-H-T 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Great. Bye bye pink. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bye bye number 8. What next? Number 9. Wow, number 9. N-I-N-E 9. Number blocks 9 color is grey. Great. Let's draw number 9. Great. Number block 9 color is grey. 3 kinds of grey. Then light grey. Dark light and lighter. Wow, number 9. You are so funny. Great. N-I-N-E, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, great. Bye-bye, number 9. And what next? 10. 1, 0, 10. Great. T-E-N, 10. 1 and 0 make 10. Great. Red for outline. Great. Great. 1 and 0 make 10. T-E-N, 10. Wow, look, so many blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Wow, great. I like number blocks. Do you like number blocks? Great. Bye bye, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. 1 and 0 make 10. Great. Bye bye, number blocks. All thanks to you.